Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install NSE F&O stocks list into the Tradingview Watchlist in 2026. So first of all, come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, make sure that you are on the watchlist panel, which will be on the top right hand corner of the screen. So after clicking on the products, you will be shown your chart. So when you click on the top right hand corner, the first option would be of watch list. So here click on the option of this plus icon. After that, from this particular list, you just have to simply look for the NSE F&O stocks list. You can also use the search bar here on the top. After that, you can just simply search for NSE F&O. So once you are able to find the list of it, you just have to simply click on the stocks which you want to add here. After clicking on the stocks, it will be added here in your watch list, just like so. Now, if this method doesn't work for you, you can come back here on the home page. After that, hover over to the products, then hover over to the option of screens here. Now in the screeners, click on the option of stocks. Now in the stocks, you just have to basically select the market. So here, after selecting the market of India, you just have to basically look for NSE and F&O stocks list. So when you want to add any of these stocks in your watch list, simply right click on that, then click on the option of add to watch list, or you can also create a new list, or you can even add it in your existing list. So this way how you can do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.